Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knife Center, and today it's America versus Italy as we pit the Benchmade 318 and 319 proper against the LionSteel BestMan, and you get to pick the winner. Modern interpretations of the slip-joint pocket knife have been on the rise in recent years, with even bigger manufacturers getting in on the action. And although they're based on classic mechanisms, these aren't your granddaddy's pocket knives. By using modern materials and particle steels, the LionSteel BestMan and the Benchmade proper are slip joints for a new era. Let's start with the handles. Now, where both of these models differ from classic models is they feature screw-together construction rather than pinned construction. And the proper's handle has a shape all its own. It's not modeled after any traditional pattern. Although if push came to shove, I might say it's closest to a canoe, but with a bit more taper towards the front, with good visual momentum. Base models of the Benchmade are available with red G10, which you see here, or green canvas micarta. And you also get a lanyard hole at the back, which is something you don't see too often with classic pocket knives. You can add a fob or an accessory, either for style or to make it easier to fetch out of your pocket. The styling of the LionSteel is a bit more classic, with a boxy, bolstered look. Although in keeping with the modern aesthetic, the bolsters here are made out of titanium. The BestMan is a little bit thicker than the slightly slimmer Benchmade, and it's also available with micarta scales. You can get it in natural micarta, but also with several different wood options as well, including olive wood, Santos mahogany, and ebony for a variety of different shades. Both the LionSteel and the Benchmade have upgraded models that come with carbon fiber handles as well, which makes for a very high-tech look. As for the blades, each of these is available with a clip point profile. But if you want something a little bit different, you can also get a sheep's foot version on the Benchmade. The BestMan has a similar profile available with a Wharncliffe blade, but rather than replacing the clip point, it actually comes in a two-bladed variant, which opens at the opposite end of the clip point blade. As far as the steel selection, on the LionSteel we get M390 particle steel, whereas base models of the Benchmade proper get S30V. If you want something different, the LionSteel does not have an upgrade option because M390 is already pretty premium, but the proper is available with S90V blade steel, and it's these versions that come with the carbon fiber handles. Another difference to note is the way these two companies grind their blades. The LionSteel BestMan emphasizes slicing efficiency with a full flat grind and a swedged clip point, whereas the Benchmade proper goes for a more robust profile. It still has a flat grind, but it is not full height, and it sacrifices a little bit of efficiency for more strength behind the edge. And while there's no swedge on the clip point, the sheep's foot version does get a longer swedge than the LionSteel does. Normally this is the part of the video where we talk about locking mechanisms, but as should be clear by now, these are non-locking knives. But each one does have a half stop though, and that's an added safety feature with a natural rest halfway through the action of the blade, and it keeps things from closing too quickly. The walk and talk is pretty decent on the Benchmade, but the LionSteel is even better, with more snappy and definitive action. Now, as far as opening the blades, each one of these models comes with a straight nail groove for grabbing and opening the blade. Not quite a long pull, but still very easy to access. And as a bonus feature to lefties, the LionSteel even has a matching groove on the back side of the blade as well. Overall, I've been very impressed by the quality of both of these models. The Benchmade is built in America with fit and finish to take pride in. But the Italian-made LionSteels are no slouch either, with luxury detailing like crown spines, liners, and backspring. Really, it's hard to pick a winner between these two knives, so that's where you all come in. Be sure to let us know down in the comments which of these knives you prefer. If you want to get your hands on any of them, you can use the link in our description to head over to KnifeCenter.com, and be sure to sign up for our Knife Rewards program, and you're going to earn points on knives that you were probably going to buy anyway. I'm David C. Anderson from the Knife Center signing off. See you next time.